Cheers, mates! Camcorder video. It has been some time that I didn't make one. I want to just quickly adjust the catcher case to the VMC cylinder. VMC cylinder has a small cylinder foot. The 244 VMC comes with a template, so we see how much we have to remove here, down to a depth of 9-10 millimeters. That was it. No voodoo. That was it. So it's very simple to adjust the engine case. Yeah, sure, you could take out the cylinder bolts and just use screws to fix the template on the case, but yeah, I want to try with the cylinder, so I'll just do it like that. Not that big hassle. It is not. Voila!
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?